Hello, this is the Logitech Harmony Elite remote control. We want to thank Best Buy for sending this for review. This was supplied as a free review unit, and you'll be able to check out the review on my website, which will be tweeted on 24K on Twitter. So we'll be going inside the box right now, and you probably heard about the Harmony Elite before. This now links to your smart assistant at home, so you can talk to your Google Home Mini or your Amazon box and it will activate. So it comes with a couple of different pieces. There's a stand for your remote here, and this is a charging stand. You can see the charging bits inside. And then this is the remote control. So it looks pretty sleek right here. It's a nice sort of rubbery feel on the bottom, and then this is a slick black plastic on top. All of your buttons are here, and then your charging contacts are there. But what you can do now is ask your smart home assistant, and you can use your phone to control multiple devices in your home. So this gives you some idea of what's happening with this. Works with 27,000 plus devices, which is a lot. You can see everything that's in the box right there. And this is the controller unit. And this entire system is from Logitech. So here's all your devices that you can plug into the back to control. So basically it's three pieces. It's the remote control, the controller device, and the charging hub, which is what it's showing here. So I'll give you some more information here on the side. It also works with the Nest products and Hue products. So this is the Harmony Elite from Logitech. Again, we want to thank Best Buy for sending this for review. This is Chris Rushnaut, 24K on Twitter. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments and, of course, thumbs up.